Hello everyone, this is Edmund Chua. I'm recording this video using my mobile phone and DU recorder. This website is w3schools.com. Okay, I'm going to record Python tutorial. Introduction, get started, syntax, variables, numbers, casting, strings, operators, list, tuples, sets, dictionaries, if then else, while loops, for loops, functions, lambda, arrays, classes, objects, iterators, modules, dates, JSON, PIP, Python try and set file handling, read files, write, create files, delete files, database, MySQL, get started, create database, create table, insert, select, where, order by, delete, drop table, update, limit, join, MongoDB, okay, started, create database, create collection, insert, find, query, sort, delete, drop collection, update, limit, preferences, and I'll just go through the references, Python references, and we can try some test yourself exercises. Right, let's start. We start off with home. Let me just go through quickly what is the Python. It's basically a programming language, and let me set the brush. Okay, there's a brush. Programming language, it can be used on a server to create web applications. Let's look at an example. Show Python makes it easy to learn Python. Okay, the show Python, this is just an example. You want to print hello world. You can, if you run the example, it will be printed hello world. Now let's see how you can do that. Then I will go through what is file handling, open, read, write, delete, database handling, etc. Okay, now let's look at the exercise just now about hello world. Let's do the exercise now. If I type word PRINT, notice I have typed as a capital P. If I submit it, you'll notice that it's wrong. Okay. Well, let's submit it first and see what it says. Okay. It's not correct. Alright. So if now I change the capital P to small p and I submit it, well, it's correct. So as you can see, Python the commands are case sensitive. So this is what you can do on this particular web page. On this website, you can actually learn how to do Python interactively. Okay, let's look at what is a comment. If you want to put a statement and what is the special characters that makes it a comment. Well, I know it's X, so it's correct. There you go. So let's do the next exercise again. Show how do you create a variable named car name and assign the value, which means to say that, as you know, it's case sensitive, so you cannot type capital K, capital C. You have to type as it is, lowercase c. This is the variable name, and what you assign it as a string. That's why is a code, capital O, which means that this variable will contain this particular letter, capital V O L V O. Okay, submit it. There you are. Right, next. Create a variable named X and assign the value of X of 50. So the variable is X 50. Display the sum of 5 and 10 using variable X and Y. Display the sum of 5 plus 10 using variable X and Y. So X will have the value of 5, Y assigned 10. So we print P, you want a plus. That means we are adding up 5 and 10. You submit it. It's correct. Okay, so let's continue on, etc. I'm gonna stop the video now. It's getting very boring.